guess what, bestie? We got a package. And your girl didn't order herself anything. So this one is a pure gift. So shall we see who it's from? Well, that says it all right there. You know where to get your girl. You get you some. So, yeah. And we got a sticker. We all know what this package means. Shall we see what's inside? Shall we see what's inside? We got a lighter. Ooh. Looks like a joint. Oh yeah. Let's see, what else do we get? Rainbow belts. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna have to try this. And what else did we get? What else did we get? A honey banana vape, it looks like. Okay. So your girl's gonna have to try this too. But first, we gotta let it sit. So, we'll be back.